Hi, in this video we are going to understand array destructure using an example. Now, currently we have one array and inside the array we have four elements. I want to only two language from the array. For that I destructure Java and PHP from the array. Now here what happened from array, first Java and PHP value is extracted. Now I print out in a log and checking out is working proper. Java and PHP. Now I run this file. Java and PHP, two value extract from the array using array destructuring. So this way we can extract array value in a variable using array destructuring.